guys, it's me Maurice, and today I will be sharing to you this makeup look, which is Korean inspired makeup, inner glow, glass skin kind of effect. This is good for like an everyday makeup. You can wear it in work, in school, or wherever you're going because it's natural. Anyone can carry this look. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is, of course, you need to clean your hands. I just have this normal hand sanitizer. Clean, clean, clean. And then, to achieve that glowing skin, we need to moisturize. I already put some moisturizer at the beginning, so I'm proceeding with an essence. What I have is Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence by COSRX. So just gonna pump a little bit at the back of my hand. So guys, I've shown this product already on my skincare routine. It's very good and it helps my skin a lot. So if you're interested in watching that, I have the information up if you want to check it. So I'm just putting it all over my face. After that, I'm proceeding to my next product, which is a lip cream. This is DHC Lip Cream. I've already reviewed this product a lot of times, so you guys need to purchase this. I mean, I'm overselling this product already. This is to prep our lips for the lipstick and lip tint that we're gonna put later on. Next is we have a primer. So what I have is the Pore Professional Pore Primer by Benefit. So this will help to create that even skin texture, and also it will help for the foundation to adhere. So we're just gonna get a pea size and put it all over our face. So pat it. What is nice about this product is, as you can see, this is also a bit tinted. So I don't know if it has coverage, but kind of feel like it's doing something. Are you guys seeing the difference? Texture wise, you would see that it's more even and smooth, which is what we're gonna achieve since we're going for that Korean porcelain inner glow. After that, we're gonna proceed to the foundation. So what I have is the Lights Camera Action by Superface. So you're just gonna put this again all over my face. So patting motion so that we're not distracting the primer that we already put at the beginning. Also, don't forget to put some on your neck. Okay, so up next, we're gonna put on some concealer. So what I have is this Fit Me by Maybelline. I've been loving this because it's not that thick, it's not too thin, it gives the right amount of coverage that I feel like I need, because I also don't want that, you know, completely erased under eye circles, because it kinda look fake. Anyway, let's do it. So just dab it in and then spot conceal. So what you do is you just dab it. I like using my finger in putting on the product because your fingers are warm. It melts the product that we need to kind of blend the concealer properly. So that's why I love using my finger instead of using a brush for concealers. Alright, after concealer, we will proceed to another makeup, which is a powder. So even though we're going for that, you know, flawless, healthy, glowing, well hydrated face, we still need to fix it with powder, because if we don't fix it with the powder, when we go out on the sun, you will really see that your makeup is kind of melting, and we don't want that. We're not gonna fix all of the foundation in. We're just gonna put it on areas that usually sweats or gets oily a lot. And then we're gonna proceed to another makeup, which is a eyeshadow base. So I'm gonna use this one. It's because we're gonna use glitter at the end, or not really at the end, on our eye. It's best to put on a base like this one to intensify the color and also for the glitters to stick on properly. So what I have is the Essence I Love Color Intensifying. So it's this one. It's really nice because you would really see the improvements on the product that you're using, especially if you're not using those eyeshadow that has a really good payoff. Up next is the fun part, which is eyeshadow. So what I have is Estée Lauder Pure Color Ebony Sculpting Eyeshadow Ombre. So I'm just gonna show you the colors on this. So it's this one. It's just all nude colors, which is good for everyday. That's why I like this palette. This time we're gonna use a brush. What I'm choosing is more of a thinner brush like this one. It's because we're not gonna put it all over our lids. We're just gonna put it near to the eyelash as possible. So the color that I choose is this one. Why do we need to brown this? I mean, with Koreans, they usually have monolids. That's why they like creating an illusion of a deeper lids. That's why they're usually putting on brown eyeshadow on this area. We're gonna proceed to glitters. I'm so excited. So what I have is this 16 brand. I really like this color because it's more of a warm tone and it's not really that flashy, although it's really big glitters. Since we're gonna try to make this look as an everyday makeup, we're gonna try to put this product into a minimum, just so it's not that flashy, you know, guys, not too much. So put it at the center like that, and then just blend it in. So as you can see, that based eyeshadow primer actually helps to keep the glitters in place and not go all over the place, although this one is a liquid type. Alright, and then we're just gonna put a little bit, just a tiny itsy bit on our inner corners. And then we are now going to our eyeliner. So I'm using a dark brown color. It's because if you're using a real like jet black eyeliner, it would not look as natural. So I would advise you to just stick with dark browns to kind of soften it, especially if you're going for a Korean look. And yeah, what I have is the One Day Tattoo Real Lasting Eyeliner 24 Hours by K Palette. So K Palette is one of the #1 brands when it comes to eyebrow and also on their eyeliner. So if you're having trouble on putting on an eyeliner, my technique is to have like a small mirror like this, put it a bit down so that you're looking a bit down as well, and then you put it while you're looking down instead of doing it straight, because your eyelids kind of folds. So definitely this is a better technique than tugging and pulling your eye that may cost you wrinkles. I kind of wing it a bit because it makes your eyes look longer, which is one of the technique by Koreans to make their eyes stand out. I have an awkward face when I'm doing my eyeliner, forgive me. So see, it's more natural to use a dark brown color instead of using a jet black color, especially if it's a day look. Now we're gonna curl our lashes for the mascara. The mascara that I'm gonna use is the Roller Lash by Benefit. So I just got the sample size. This one has been recommended by a lot, but I haven't actually used it. So let's try it on. So I could try this on. It's a nice big applicator. So usually this kind of applicator does the job properly. When you're putting on mascara, you need to kind of not just put it straight away. You need to wiggle it left and right to distribute the product more. So we're not gonna put eyeliner on our lower lids. It's just because it doesn't look natural or it looks kind of dark. And the next one that I have is a contour. I have this Maybelline V-Face Duo Stick by Face Studio. So this is a Maybelline product. We're just gonna use the contour cream color on our nose because we're gonna use another product for our cheek. Or I mean on our jaws. I'm just gonna use my finger with this. So there. Next, we're gonna use this other end, which is a highlighter. This one is a more subtle color payoff. That's why we're gonna use this instead of using glitters or intense highlighter. It's because we're aiming for an inner glow and this gives that glow. There, and up next is, like I told you, we're gonna use another contour. What I have is the Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and we're just gonna put this on our jaw area, a little bit on our forehead, and a little bit on our nose. Up next is eyebrow. So we're gonna use this Designing Eyebrow Pencil Crayon by The Face Shop. So it's this one. We're just gonna draw a little bit at the bottom of our eyebrows just to give it more of a definition. And then blend it with the spoolie brush, if I'm not mistaken. On what do you call this brush? And then we're gonna fix our brows with an eyebrow mascara. What I use is this Rimmel London Wonderful Brow. So we're just gonna make it a bit straight because usually Koreans have a straight brows. After that, another favorite of mine is this blush. So what I have is Essence the Blush. This is number 30, Breathtaking. So the color is this one. It's really nice. Yes, I know that I'm using a powder, which is not really advisable if you're going for a moisturized, glowing, healthy-looking skin. But this one, when you put it on your face, that powder-ish consistency of the product dissolves into kind of a cream type. So that's why we're using this one. So we're putting it also on our nose bridge. So these are the areas that we usually get red whenever we work out or we're hot, isn't it? And then a little bit on here and here. Just like a dab. And then up next is lipstick. So what I have is Fluffmatte Sunnies Face in Baked. So this one is my favorite. It's almost gone if you can see. This is how it looks. This is a must-buy product. It's my favorite. There, and then we're gonna use another product which is a lip tint. So I have this Paris Ink Velvet. So this is by Pere. I'm gonna show the shade of this one in the description box. So we just put it in the inner corners of our lips to create that gradient effect. So here you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So sorry for those background noises. I didn't realize that the washing machine is turned on. Crazy me. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, just give your girl some thumbs up. Probably subscribe to my channel, and I might upload another makeup tutorial for you guys. And thank you for watching. See ya. Bye.
요새 너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니